Okay, so I have this VH Auto emblem I'm gonna install on my 04 Duramax. Just was gonna show you guys how to swap it out. Obviously, there's a lot of room in here. So what we're gonna do is just pop this panel up. I used one of these little trim remover tools. I'll pop this up and see you got 1, 2, bam, bam, and the ones up top. I'll show you what to do. So now that you've got this top panel off, I'm probably gonna go through and clean mine. Good opportunity for you as well. If you look down in here, let's see. All right, there. Those are your 10 millimeters. So you just reach in there with a little ratchet, get those out, and voila, you can get rid of the old cracked up junky looking. All right, there we go. Something I noticed, just be careful and work side to side with those 10 millimeters as far as tightening them. It seems like it'll start to pull on this emblem a little much. So just gently snug them down, do this side, whatever. Just don't run one down and then try to do the other. But because of the grill having a little bit of curve to it, it's gonna pull it a little bit, but you don't want it to yank it too much and put too much pressure on it. But there it is. Clean this up, put your top cover back on, and check her out. And there you go. Back together. My case matches my wheels. VH Auto, I'll leave the link in description if anybody's interested. Pretty happy with it. I guess time will tell, but the quality seems, I guess, to match the factory.